In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. I'm going to go through everything you need to know step by step, so stick around, pay close attention and watch the end of the video to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into this. Now the first thing we need to do, of course, is load up Canva, and to do this you can actually use a free account, which is, perfectly fine. Just sign in. If you want to use a paid account, you can go ahead and do that, and the benefit of that is you'll have a lot more templates and elements and stuff that you can use, but it's fine either way. So the first thing we want to do, well, we have a few options. The first thing we can do is we can go into the search bar here and we can type in Facebook post. And from here, you've got the landscape options, and you should also have portrait. If you maybe just type in Facebook, you've got Facebook ad. If you press see all here, it's going to show you some suggested templates. Now these templates are pretty good for inspiration, and they will tell you what they're for. So if you look here, this says white torn paper coming soon Facebook post. So this is a Facebook post, whereas this one here is a Facebook cover. You have profile picture here. So there's tons of different templates here that you can use depending on your needs. Now another way you can actually do it is if you click here, create a design, you can actually type in Facebook. And it's going to give you all the different options that you're going for. So you've got Facebook ad, Facebook app ad, Facebook cover, Facebook event cover, Facebook post landscape, Facebook post landscape again. The difference is the resolution in these two. You've got Facebook post square, profile frame, and profile picture. So if you want to start from scratch, you can do this here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and click Facebook post square. And this is going to open a blank canvas just like this. Now, depending on your needs, you can search them in the side here. So let's say you are running a baking class. You could type in baking, for example, and maybe there's some baking stuff that comes up, or maybe you have some gaming live stream you want to do. So for example, here you can see there's a lot of gaming templates here. Now you see on some of them there's a little crown icon. It says Pro. These are the ones that you're going to have to pay for to use. So if you don't pay for them, then you won't be able to use them. So I'd recommend either paying for the Pro plan or just grabbing the free ones here, whichever you want. So let's say that I like this one here. I can just click this and I can just drag it in here like that, and it's now going to turn my whole page into this template. You can see here where it says Canva on some of these. These are like pro elements. So for you to be able to use the ones that have the Canva watermark, you have to pay for them. So if not, you can just delete it. So I'm just going to delete those two there like that. You also got this here to delete. But what we can do instead actually is we can leave them there and we can find alternatives. So to go ahead and edit the text, we can go ahead and just type something in. So we can say game launch. And I'm just going to make this a little bit wider so that it stays on one line. And in fact, I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller because it's a bit big. So there we go. We've got the title there. What we can go ahead and do is we can actually go to, once we double click on this, we can select the whole text here. If we go to the top left here, we can actually select what font we want to use. So there's a ton of fonts that you can actually go ahead and use. Just, have a look down here. And you can see I've changed the font there. Now you can see it's also got this glowing effect on it. And the way you get that is you go to effects and then you can just select the effects. This one is the neon effect and the color is green. So there we go. Now what we can do here is we can change this element. So we'll put something like banner, or actually we need to go to the elements tab and we'll type in banner. And we can see if anything comes up for banner. So nothing for banner. Maybe we could type in frame. Nothing there either. So I guess the next best thing is we can do the shape tool. So I'm basically going to add the shape tool in here. I'm going to resize it over here like this. And what I'm going to do is I am going to change the color of it. And I'm going to use the picker tool. I'm going to change it to this. And then I'm going to go ahead, click border. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a border. I'm going to make the weight go up a little bit to make it bigger. And for border color, I'm going to click and I'm going to go over to the border color they have here. So now I can delete their border and I can bring ours on here just like that. And if I wanted to, I could also, you know, add some effects to it, whatever. I could do the same with this here and this laser here. So I might put laser. And I might be able to find it. I might be able to go through and find something. So I could put that there and I could blend out something if I wanted to. Now lastly, I'm going to type in gamer and I'm going to find a free one. So this one here. And I'm going to click and drag this over this image that we have here. And you're going to see that's actually placed this gaming photo into this image here like that, which is pretty cool. So from here, I can actually go to the top right. I can click share and then I can publish that. I can download it. I can publish it. There's a ton of different things you can do from there. I recommend downloading it as a PNG because that will be the best to upload it to Facebook. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.